Now, we have some missing number problems for adding multiples of 10. First, 220 plus something equals 260. So if we highlight the digits that have changed, we can see that we started with 2 tens, but we have 6 tens in our answer, and the difference between 6 and 2 is 4. But our answer isn't 4, because remember, it's the tens digits that we've highlighted. So, to show 4 tens, we need to write 40. We can see that our ones digit is still a 0 in our answer, so we've not added any ones, which means we've added a multiple of 10, a number in the 10 times table. Now, 170 plus something equals 230. So if we highlight the digits that have changed, we can find the difference between 23 and 17. That's 6 because we need to count on 6 from 17 to get to 23. But again, to show 6 tenths, we need to write 60 as our answer. And now 590 plus something equals 660. Again, we can find the difference, and 66 minus 59 is 7, because from 59 we'd count on 1 to get to 60, then count on another 6, so that's counting on 7 altogether. And to show that it's 7 tenths, to show that our ones digit hasn't changed, we need to write 0 as our ones digit. So let's take a closer look at these questions so that we can see what was happening. First, we started with 220, and then you can see that to get to 260, we need to add 4 tens, so that's 40. Then we started with 170, and to get to 230, we needed to add 6 tens, or 60. That's because adding 6 tens gives us 13 tens altogether, but we can regroup 10 of those tens into an extra 100. So that's why adding 6 tens, or 60, means we have 2 hundreds and we have 3 tens. Now for this question, we start with 590, and if we add 70, so if we add 7 tens, that takes us to 660. Because now that we've got 16 tens, we can regroup 10 of those tens into an extra 100, giving us 6 hundreds and 6 tens. We can also show the addition using place value counters. So from 220, if we add 40, or 4 tens, that takes us to 260. From 170, to get to 230, we need to add 6 tens. We can add 1, 2, 3, exchange, and then add 4, 5, 6 tens, and that gives us 2 hundreds and 3 tens. And then, if we start with 590, we can add 7 tens, so we can add 1, exchange, then add 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and that gives us 6 hundreds and 6 tens, so 660.